What's going on YouTube? It's your boy JMO704, and if you tapped on this video, you're trying to figure out how you can regrow your beard line. So I wanted to make this video real quick because I myself am currently trying to regrow my beard line. Because if you look right here, you know what I'm saying, this is pretty much where my beard line has been, and I'm currently trying to, give it that width. So I'm letting all of this grow in on both sides. I started trying to do this back in January, but I couldn't keep up with it, man. I kept trimming at it. Like, I would let it grow, but then, I would be like, all right, man, I'm gonna just trim it here. A little bit won't hurt. A little bit won't hurt. And then next thing you know, the secondary line that I did have, it was no longer there. And I just had, this line right here. Now, granted, it doesn't look bad, but again, I kind of want that thickness, that width, here on the side. So I was like, man, you know what? Forget it, man. I'm gonna just let it grow for real this time, and and be a person of my word, man. So hopefully these 3 tips will help you guys if you are trying to regrow your beard line. So the first tip being, you got to let it grow, man. You cannot get that secondary beard line to grow in if you don't allow it to grow. You got to fight that urge, man. And trust me, I know whenever you start to see it getting a little crazy and out of hand, you just kind of want to take the trimmers and be like, all right, I'm going to just trim it a little bit. And then next thing you know, man, all of that new growth that you've had over the past, 2 weeks, it's about to be gone. So, make sure that you just fight that urge, man, and just let it grow in. All right. So tip number 2 that I have for y'all is whenever you do go to trim it, man, less is always more, especially in this case, man. Go into your beard trim or your beard outline with a specific game plan and a purpose, and do not deviate from that. Because if you do, next thing you know, like I said, all of the new growth that you had is no longer going to be there. So, if I had to give a recommendation on how often you should trim your beard, now, it really kind of varies on how fast your beard grows. I would say for me, I've been letting mine grow. Shoot, man, I'm gonna have to put a picture up here, but it's definitely been at least a good 3 weeks. And so in about 3 weeks, this is kind of what my beard looks like. And I'm gonna definitely keep y'all posted, man, because I'm not cutting it, man. I'm letting it grow. So if you guys want to see, just kind of how my beard grows in, man, and if y'all want me to really kind of document that, hey, drop a comment down in the comment section, man. In terms of trimming, I would keep it to, once every 2 weeks, but you gotta really just kind of let it grow. All right. So tip number 3. So this is the last tip, man, which I think has really helped me in terms of really keeping that secondary line, is using a straight razor, man. I have mine right here. But what I found with using the straight razor is that I'm actually able to be a little bit more precise than if I'm using my Andes trimmer. So, especially if I'm trying to grow it back, like, I just like to be able to just take my razor and just slightly go against the line, man. Whereas if I had my Andes trimmers, man, I could get it, but I'm running the risk of, just taking some additional beard hair off, and that is not the goal, man. So those are my 3 tips, man, if you are trying to regrow your beard line. If you found this video helpful, make sure you go ahead and drop a like on the video. I'm looking to, do some different content here on the channel. If you like the beard content, man, hey, let me know down in the comments. If I'm being honest, I feel like, there's only but so many ways you can talk about your beard and without being super repetitive. I do have some ideas as far as, my own little twist on things and things that I haven't necessarily seen done here within the bearded community. I really kind of want to tie in some of the menswear and the fitness aspects of, just who I am and, and what I do, man. So, if you kind of want to see some more fitness or menswear related content from me, man, drop a comment down in the comment section. Let me know. I really do want to be able to bring some value to you guys. And I can only do that if, y'all let me know what y'all want to see from me, man. So with that being said, man, I'm going to link some other videos up here for y'all to check out. And if there's anything that you ever want to do in life, remember that it requires patience, consistency, and more importantly, it don't happen overnight. See y'all on the next video. Peace.